Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So today was a relatively mild day. Yeah, it pulled back a little bit at the beginning, but from the big picture of things, you know, the key level of support was holding. That key level of support being this green line right here at right around $1.24. And then the final 30 minutes rolled around. And again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you see right here, final 30 minutes on the day. Big volume showed up, so I don't know if there was some sort of news or something, but on the big volume, you can see that this red candle here formed, and then it ultimately broke and closed down below that green line. So that transitions things into the question, are the bears all of a sudden regaining control enough to make another move to the downside? Now, to be fair to the bulls, this could very well just be a little knee-jerk reaction. Maybe the bulls are kind of toying around with the bears a little bit, and tomorrow it'll quickly snap back upwards and get into the previous range that was in. But as it stands right now, it's still a very logical question to wonder, is this the start of something bigger for the bears? And the first update that needs to be made based on that is from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed above, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bounce to the upside, that key level of resistance is going to be right there around the $1.24, $1.25 mark. Or in other words, the sooner the price can get back up above that resistance and convert that back into a level of support, the better. I'm just going to do some house cleaning, get rid of that line up there. I don't want to have a million annotations everywhere. Now, in terms of next potential areas of support, that is where this area down here is very important. Because, I mean, the first reason it's very important is I think we can all agree for it to even go down there and test that, which I'm not saying it will happen, but for the price to even go all the way down there, that in and of itself is a pretty far journey. And then if that level does not hold, well, then that, I'm assuming I'm kind of saying the obvious, well, yeah, that would definitely be a big sign of the bears if the price can not only push down there, but then also push through that level of support. So $1.07, very, very important level of support. But again, just to reiterate, to be fair to the bulls, this could very well just be a fake breakdown. This could, just be a knee-jerk reaction, and tomorrow, the price could, get right back above $1.25, and then that puts it back inside of the range that I've talked about in the past couple of days in those videos. But like I said, it's also logical. You got to wonder, is this the start of something bigger on the bears' part? We'll just have to sit back and see how the next couple of days unfold. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.